teeth. That means we have a lot of dead here, so you can come pick them up right now, you understand? What's going on YouTube? Your boy Jay there again in the building. Wildlife, boy, you're dead like dog, you don't even know, boy. May I tell you? Boy, sound liquid you get. Clear.
Just show them panic ground amount of feathers and this.
And when I really finish picket, you know, guys. Yeah, man. And the boss there himself same way. You understand? Feather name man hit to bomba. Yeah. But guys, me there. Just to come off on the hunt, guys. May I tell you, say it was an fantastic hunt, right? Yeah, man. Class of shots, you know. Class on top of class. No, me I tell you, but anyways, we there get the bird them clean up. We go roll back on the clip them and show now what kind of damage we done, you know. And the man there said they pick bird and can't done pick bird. Yeah, man. Finger. Why I tell you, you know. Big up yourself, no boss, you know. Remember how we said Danta, you know. Once you say Danta, you know what time it is, man. So, look at guys.
Meet dongle Jake. Jake angry nessa.
Yeah, man, people. Watch out, yeah? First one.
Damn. Should be another hole, man.
One moment, we record on it. Oh, you'll get them. Shoot it on there. That white one there for Yeah, man, people, look what I'm going on. That means shoot one. I'm shoot the next one. Yeah, man. I'm shoot one, but he jump over this and can't get him. But nevertheless, still there. Yeah, man, guys, this is white one we just shoot. We can't too show them see that still, you know, because our neck pop and something there. From a couple yards out, man. But look what I'm going.
Miles that, you know? Guys, look how far. That's how far shot. I skate 30 that there, man. See if I can wedge him on here. See him go fly off the nut.
Brother, that can't fly, Jay. Alright, not take a foot that bike.
Where Jim one?
DJ, all that is like that. Too much marble go after him and he can still sit down. I say not good. Yeah, you know.
Yeah man guys, all I neck chop out, hey, wildlife. Watch yourself here my boy. Well, I see you go on that thing over there, you know. A class I show down, you know. Be A class, you know, I see you, you know. But how you do a baby thing, man? I teach you a thing. Watch out.
Don't say I'm going to come to you back and I want to tell you that I'm coming.
Yeah, come it on.
Boom, clot, in Jap. Up on the place, you know?
I'm going to
Hey.
Wildlife. Talk to you twice. I'm going to talk to you again. Watch out, yeah.
Eight.
I'm done with that one.
I just do weed and just.
They see I can't show up on camera, you know. Jump run there. Clean. One more. Can't show them scene there, guys. But wildlife, watch out, bro. Talk to you more, boy. Just now listen.
The one in a drop, G.
Yeah, jump. India harbor. Quick. See me. Yeah. There we go, bro. Swiss skate 30 clap you from a couple of yards. Yeah man. Swiss skate 30 chop off in your wing, man. Bro. See the gonna bust. Now rebuild it. Bro, you're not a problem, yeah? Watch out.
Which one?
One in the middle. See why can I shoot then? Guys, we just climb my host up and take off the one. You want to just witness me shoot. Alright, look up. They see you to show up on camera still, but we are showing.
One up the G.
No, I'm in Japan when I'm shooting bunks. Apparently guys, we just pull up on one of free board in black and I say yo, they might give me a problem. Zombie, I know you're dead. Hold on. Go on. What's your number key phone? Yeah man guys. You understand? I hate chat man, you know? Brain tumor. Wow. The black one. Zombie, I talk to you again. Boy. You see, because I know you. You understand? Damn, come on, one more. Damn, here, record. See what I say. So as me that say, I didn't see now we show them man, we need we can show it on the camera. Damn, could I wanna?
What bumper for him?
Go on. This one to eat in as a black one.
In job.
Okay.
See me. Jay, go film. Go film.
Damn, come on. Do it. Yes, hold on and the clear road. Yeah, man. Forward.
That dead. It was a twist. Alright, Ed.
Yo, I do something I say. Because really sure that thing was there and I see you going with that thing, you know. You surprised, honors, but I tell you already. Swiss K 30 copper from couple yard. Pedal alone.
He head alone.
Yeah, I'm come back in.
Yeah, man.
Flat out there.
You see the scene, a A-class scene, man. Me never can look at. Mama lose you. But I chat, man. A brain tumor. Zombie. Bro, I want it each and every day and listen. You understand me? Me see you go on with that thing, me I tell you, but beat off this. Kung mo, white and see bro.
Okay, man, tak G.
Jesus Christ.
Oh Lord, I thank you. You know? So you miss a man, how much did he kill? How much? A 20 did he kill? No. I saw me go on a times, man, you know? Me get carried away too much. And he killed 16 of them. 16 of them. And he killed 16 of them. Why? I don't count on count with me. You're not dead yet. Oh. The accuracy, you know, slip up my shoulder. I'm gonna beat it till my shoulder slip out, man, you know. Yeah, you miss a man now that talk about Juvie and poor brother Saf. Explain that to me now. Explain that to me now. And it's now after 1. 5 minutes past 1. Talk to me now. Just relax, man. Anytime I see you beat off that, me give you props. Remember me tell you. You're not ready yet, man. So we'll get them clean up and thing and, you know, put them on the fridge. Because right now, we're tired. I don't think we can manage to do the cook up in this video, but we're not actually have to get a cook up for this video. Why, man, I tell you, man. Immaculate, man. Believe me, tell you. Look at how do you much again? What you count after a while? I think how much? I think 17 or 19, one of them. 17 or 19. I think 19 still. 19 of them, guys. Yeah, man. 19 of them. What am I tell you? So I get them clean up, nevertheless. Get them clean up on some style, right? Yeah, man, people, see there? Judge. Call them hospital, make them send it a parlor truck come, a parlor truck, because
What if I body them in a boy?
Ah, me soon make it call. Me soon make it
Hold
call.
on, I make one call. We have a lot of dead here, so you can come pick them up right now. You understand? You know. About 2 dozen of them.
Nothing much, nothing much.
When I reach by 6. Alright. So if Paula come, guys, come pick them up. Yeah, man. One wolf a body, you know.
One wolf a dead body.
Hold on. I'm more dead body a pick.
That fitted yes I can close to book. You know.
Yeah, man, guys, birthdays. Yeah, man, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go over Wildlife and comment Team J. Me telling already, guys. Yeah, man. So we'll get them clean up and put them on the fridge. So in the next video, I'm making a so I go on. Until then, guys, peace out, God bless. Stay safe. I'm out.